Hello. I'm only going live again because we're given plenty of warning for Wednesday night. Isn't it? Wednesday night cook along. I'm just going to get a bit of dinner here ready on the go. Very simple stir fry, guys. We've got spring onions, a little bit of asparagus, sweet corn, and mange tout. And that's all going into our... Oh, I got a little bit of chili as well, because if you were watching earlier, you would have seen us make our guacamole. Good practice all the time. Clean as we go along. Anybody watching, Jam?
50, 60.
I don't know. Good evening to you all. So, good practice. Always clean as you go along. That way you don't have a huge mess to do at the end of the night. The only reason why I'm showing you this is because I just posted a little bit of salt in there, guys. Dale's a little bit of 20 cracks of the black pepper mill. I put up a video over to earlier on about that I just after got a duck, €6 duck, couldn't believe it, so I bought two of them, and I said, to hell, we'll have a Chinese night tonight. We don't need to go out for a takeaway, we have it at home. So I did a video as to how to prepare it for you to the half roast duck already, and then maybe next week we'll all do a Chinese together with a half roast duck or something like that, and you can all see that video. In the meantime, I'll put it up over the next few days, and then you can see exactly how to prepare it, and then on the night we just do a little stir fry, finish off our little half roast duck. I have it in the oven there now. Look at the amount of beautiful duck fat I got out of 2 ducks, about a half a litre, not a million miles off it. So I've actually started my stir fry with a little bit of duck fat in that. You can do your roast potatoes and you can do all that kind of stuff. So just wanted to show you anyway, but most importantly I want to get you all ready for Wednesday night. What are we doing, Dylan, on Wednesday?
Meatballs.
We're going to have our cook along on Wednesday night of lovely meatballs. Okay, so look, just a little bit of flicky. The key to any stir fry, guys, is have it all ready in advance. Have everything prepared before you even start cooking. But Wednesday night, it's our cook along, the big cook along. Get all the kids involved, all your friends involved. Meatballs with a kind of a sweet and spicy sauce with a little bit of buttered linguine. Does that sound good? Sounds fantastic. So, look at this, guys. There is our little bit of stir fry. The veg you want to keep nice and crunchy, so it only takes a minute or two. I've got these udon noodles, and they just take a minute or two to heat up. Let's see now. I think about 3. Here, we might as well throw it all in. My father would kill me if I was to leave anything behind. And again, rinse, clean as we go along. So Wednesday, if you're on it, guys, go on to the events link. And just click going so I know who's going. Just so I know how much food to get in. That joke's still not getting old, Dales, is it? Want yourself there, Shawnee? Now, look at this. This is as retro as it gets, guys. Look at that. Ho. That is our half roast duck. A little bit of hoisin sauce. And a little bit of orange on top. Kids in the 80s, and you still get them in a lot of good restaurants now. I love it. Half roast duck was probably one of the biggest dishes that you get anywhere. Absolutely simple to do and beautiful. We got a bit of stuff in there, so where are my tongs? Where are my tongs? Yes. So I can turn off my oven. So yes, Wednesday, tell everybody. We want everybody involved doing the meatballs, linguine. If you can't get linguine, guys, just any pasta you want. Spaghetti. What other pastas are there, Dills?
Tagliatelle.
Tagliatelle.
The tube one.
The tube pasta, yeah, that always works well. You tube. Yeah. The penne pasta. Usually. If you can't get anything, lads, I know it's very hard. Some people are only doing a week shopping maybe on a Sunday or something like that. If you can't get out between now and then, bit of rice, bit of potatoes, anything. Doesn't matter. But we're going to do it with linguine. And I know there's a lot of people asking us to show how to do meatballs. So I'm going to show you, like everything, the absolute easiest way to make meatballs with a lovely sauce. It's going to be really tasty. So I put down on the list courgettes and mushrooms, like everything, guys. If you're allergic to them or if you don't like them or whatever, just put in whatever you want. You put in peppers or frozen peas or frozen sweet corn, whatever you want. We don't work on recipes here. It's more just having a crack with each other. Isn't that what it does?
Yep.
So, a little bit of shaky for our... I'm going to put in a little bit less of noodles. Here's my hoisin sauce, and I just diluted it with a bit of water. So there we go. Throw it all in like that. You can see how much I put in, about how much did I put in, Dills? There was about that much of sauce in the bottle, and I added about that much of water. That's how much we put in. We'll wing it, won't we?
Yeah.
Anybody saying anything to us, Shani? I think he's lost interest. I think he's gone. Yeah, I think.
You think you're replacing me?
Yeah. I think I'm looking to replace the wrong fella. So look at this. We get that up nice and hot. So let us know if you're coming, guys. Make sure you click on the events link. Make sure you say, yes, we are coming. Tell all your friends. Share it onto your page. Really appreciate if you do that, guys. That way we get more and more people coming involved. And I actually double checked. Last night I posted, out of all the posts we did for, what was the last dish we cooked?
Oh, the chicken curry.
No, that was the first one, you clown.
Yeah?
The last dish. Oh. What was the last one we did? Pizzas. Oh yeah, pizzas. I don't know. All the posts that we did on our pizzas, I had it at 100,000, and then I went and double checked again. 165,000 people had reached all our pizza dishes, from our videos to the pizza sauce to the picture to the all the posts we put in. So that's insane. 160 odd thousand people, and growing. It picks up all the time. So look at this, nice and hot. It's a very simple stir fry. Vegetarians, there you go. That's an absolute simple dish for you. Throw in a couple of cashew nuts or something like that on top of it, or whatever you vegetarians like to finish the dish with. Me, I love to finish it with a steak or a piece of duck. So I'm gonna grab a little board there. Anybody coming Wednesday? Let us know. So now, anyway, that's why I keep saying put on the notifications, guys, because we did our little guacamole with smoked salmon earlier on. And I'll take out my plate here. You don't need to show them that, Johnny. I'm just taking out hot plates from the oven. Very good. Look at that, look at that. I'll do up one plate to show it to you. Who likes duck? Anybody like duck?
I do.
Look at that. Beautiful stir-fried noodles. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So, Wednesday, 6 p.m, we will be going Cook Along Live. Put on your little stir-fried noodles with hoisin sauce. Look at that. How simple is that, guys? Beautiful. Let me take my duck over here. Here's what we're having for dinner tonight. €6 for a duck. Couldn't believe the price of it. Absolute nothing. Let's see. So the video I have on the duck, I show you exactly how to get it to the half roast duck, and we'll put that up over the next day or two. That's dinner, guys. Make sure you click the notifications. Give a close up on the duck there, Shani. Make sure you click notifications for when we come on, because we do all these little bonusy surprise videos, bit of crack and having a bit of a laugh and all that kind of stuff. We don't want you to miss out anyway. Wednesday, 6 p.m. Let's cook along live. What are we cooking, Dills?
Oh, meatballs.
Yes, meatballs. See you soon, guys. Enjoy your dinner, whatever you're having. What's that? €3 a portion for the duck, and maybe 150, 450 is dinner tonight. Duck and udon noodles. See you Wednesday, guys.